In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Google Calendar export error quickly and safely. If you've tried exporting your calendar and nothing happens, or you keep running into an error, don't worry, because this usually comes down to a browser issue, a permission issue, or an organization setting. We're going to go through the easiest fixes step by step so you can get your calendar exported without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes, just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're using a computer. Google Calendar exports should be done from a desktop web browser, not from the mobile app. If you're on your phone or tablet, switch over to a laptop or desktop computer and open Google Calendar in your browser. This is important because the export function is not supported properly in the mobile app, and that alone can cause the error you're seeing. Once you're on a computer, sign into your Google account and open Google Calendar in your normal browser. If the export still isn't working, the next thing I want you to do is switch to Incognito mode or private browsing mode. This helps bypass broken browser extensions, old cached data, and other browser conflicts that can stop the export from loading correctly. In most browsers, you can open a new Incognito window from the menu in the top right corner. Once the private window opens, sign back into Google Calendar and try the export again. In a lot of cases, this alone solves the problem, because it gives you a clean browser session without any interference. If the export still fails after that, the next thing to check is your admin permissions. If you're using Google Calendar through a work, school, or organization account, your Workspace administrator may have restricted calendar data exports. That means, even if everything looks fine on your end, the export could be blocked by a policy set by your organization. To confirm this, check with your Workspace admin or IT team and ask whether calendar exports are allowed for your account. If exports are restricted, only an administrator can change that setting or give you the permission you need. So to quickly recap, if Google Calendar export is not working, first use a computer in a desktop browser, then try Incognito mode to rule out browser issues, and finally check whether your organization has blocked exports through admin permissions. Following these steps should help you identify the cause and fix the issue much faster. If this video helped you, please tap like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.